Racing as they battle for araw ng Maynila Senior in honor of Vice Mayor Angela Chi. At the end, we have his pre-well break quickly to start. Rushing up now on the outside is Shade Green. In the middle portion is straight shooter. Next in Lennis Beltuna. Running by the release Uno Magnifico. Moving up now on the outside is Frosty Raven. Neferuri racing second last. While Phil the Burn is the early trailer. Half-mile distance, they traveled. Two runners now matching their strides together. Sprewell is running by the rail. Shade Green is on the outside. Then 6 lengths further back in third comes a straight shooter. Uno Magnifico comes next. And then followed now by number 7A. And this one is Frosty Raven. Last 400 meters of the race, we have Shade Green by our length and a half. Then here comes a straight shooter. Now trying to get closer in second. Running by the rail is Sprewell. Beltuna. Uno Magnifico. Finds some opening down on the inside. And down the stretch they come. We have a straight shooter. Uno Magnifico. Beltuna is on the outside. Uno Magnifico. A straight shooter. And finally it's Uno Magnifico. Straight shooter, then comes Beltuna. 3, Phil the Burn.
Exciting finish. Another exciting finish. Race number 4. Crossing the wire first. Uno Magnifico under Jeffrey Barbosa Bakaykay. Crossing the wire first over the hot favorite straight shooter. Let's watch the instant replay of race number 4. 2026 Araw ng Maynila in honor of Vice Mayor Angela Chi at Yensa. Unofficial winner, Uno Magnifico with Jeff Bakaykay.